गुड इवनिंग स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। कैसे हैं आप सब? आज हम लोग क्लास 9 का जो मोमेंट्स बुक है उसका चैप्टर 3 ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर रिटन बाय आर के लक्ष्मण, इसका आज हम लोग एक्सरसाइज एंड लॉन्ग एंड शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन जो मैंने प्रिपेयर किए हैं वो मैं आपको दूंगी। एक्सरसाइज तो आपके बुक्स में होंगे बट मैंने फिर भी किया है और एक्स्ट्रा लॉन्ग एंड क्वेश्चन आंसर्स भी किया है। बिकॉज ऑफ लॉकडाउन किन्हीं के पास बुक नहीं होगा या तो फिर कुछ लोग राइट एग्जैक्ट आंसर ढूंढते, तो दैट्स वाई आई प्रिपेयरिंग। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द क्लास। चैप्टर 3 ईश्वरन द स्टोरी टेलर एक्सरसाइज। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, in what way is Ishwaran an asset of Mahendra? Answer: Ishwaran is an asset to Mahendra because he is quite attached to him. He follows him uncomplainingly wherever he is posted. He cooks for him. He washes his clothes. He chats away with him. At night, he also whips out endless stories and anecdotes on different subjects, provide his master entertainment. Second question is, how does Ishwaran describe the uprooted tree on the highway? What effect does he want to create in his listeners? Answer: Ishwaran describes the uprooted tree in a dramatic manner. He tells that one night he is walking along the road. Suddenly he spots an enormous and terrible beast lying on the road. He gets frightened and then he gathers up the courage and comes near it. After that, he comes to know that it is just an uprooted tree lying across the highway. He wants to create a fascinating and thrilling effect in his listeners. He wants to make even the simplest interesting. He is a master of this art. He wants to keep his listeners spellbound, enthralled, and excited. He also pretends them. Next, third question is, how does he narrate the story of the tusker? Does it appear to be plausible? Answer: he narrates the story of the tusker by saying that it escaped from the timber yard one day and began to roam about. He began stamping on bushes, tearing up wild creepers, and breaking branches at will. It reached the outskirts of the town. People ran helter-skelter in panic. It entered a school ground where children playing breaking through the brick wall. All the, by, all the boys ran into the classrooms and shut the doors tight. Ishwaran says that he tackled the elephant by striking it on the toenail with a stick. It trembled and fell down. A veterinary doctor was called. After 2 days, it was led away by its mahout to the jungle. He also tells that he brought it down through the Japanese art karate or jiu-jitsu. No, it does not appear to be possible. Next, fourth question is, why does the author say that Ishwaran seemed to more than make up for the absence of a TV in Mahen's living quarters? Answer: the author says that Ishwaran seemed to more than make up for the absence of a TV in Mahen's living quarters because not a single day passed when Ishwaran did not recount any story packed with adventure or horror or suspense. It does not matter whether the story was credible or not. Mahendra enjoyed listening to it because of the manner in which it was told. Fifth question is, Mahendra calls ghosts or spirits in a figment of the imagination. What happens to him on a full moon night? Answer is, on a full moon night, Mahendra was awakened from his sleep by a low moon close to his window. After some time, the wailing became louder. Res- he could not resist the temptation anymore and looked out of the window. He saw a female ghost with a fetus in its arms. This made Mahendra sweat. Next, sixth question is, can you think of some other ending for the story? Answer: Mahendra had no belief in ghosts. Seeing a figure outside the window filled him with fear. After some time, he gathered courage and jumped out of the window. He couched it by removing the mask from its face and came to know that it was Ishwaran, his cook. Exercise question is completed. Next है short type question answer. First, write the character sketch of Mahendra. Answer: Mahendra was the master of Ishwaran. He was bachelor. He was a contractor. His job was as that of type in which he moved from one place to another. Second, how did Ishwaran make even the simplest incident interesting? Answer: Ishwaran was a master storyteller. Ishwaran made even the simplest incident interesting by creating a lot of suspense. Third question is, why did Mahendra decide to resign his job? Answer: Mahendra was convinced that there were ghosts around his house. He was scared and did not want to live there any longer. That's why Mahendra decided to resign his job. Fourth, who was Ishwaran? What were his duties? Answer: Ishwaran was Mahendra's cook and a master storyteller. His duties were cooked for Mahendra, washed his clothes, and chatted away with his master at night. Fifth, what made Mahendra resolve to leave the haunted place the very next day? Answered: Mahendra had almost forgotten the incident of the previous night, but in the morning Ishwaran told Mahendra that he had also heard the moan at night. He had come to his room. He had seen that Mahendra was looking out of the window at the ghost of the woman. Mahendra was cold with fear. As soon as he reached the office, he handed his papers for transfer from that place. In this way, Mahendra resolved to leave the haunted place the very next day. शॉर्ट आंसर क्वेश्चन आंसर हमारा कंप्लीट होता है. नेक्स्ट आता है हमारा लॉन्ग टाइप क्वेश्चन आंसर. फर्स्ट, what did Ishwaran do after Mahendra left for work? Answer: when Mahendra left for work, Ishwaran would do his work and take a leisurely bath. While taking bath, he kept muttering a prayer. After lunchtime, he would read for a while before going to sleep. He read popular Tamil thrillers. The stories that he narrated were greatly influenced by these words. Second question is, describe Ishwaran's amazing capacity of narrating stories. Answer: his own descriptions were greatly influenced by the Tamil authors that he read. When he was narrating even the smallest of incidents, he would try to work in suspense and a surprise ending into the account. For example, instead of saying that he had come across an uprooted tree on the highway, he would say, with eyebrows suitably arched and hands held out in a dramatic gesture, the road was deserted and I was I I was alone. Suddenly I spotted something that looked like an enormous bush. She came closer. I saw that it was a fallen tree with its dry branches spread out. Often he was excited while telling a story. This type of Ishwaran's amazing capacity of narrating stories. Next है हमारा third. Give a brief account of the story of a tusker as narrated by ईश्वर. ये सेम आंसर है आपका एक्सरसाइज का क्वेश्चन नंबर जो है उसके बारे में, जहाँ टस्कर के बारे में बताया गया, तो वो था हमारा क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 ही है. आंसर: he narrates the story of a tusker by saying that it escaped from the timber yard one day. इसी तरह से हमारा ये जो है आंसर कंप्लीट है. ये आप एक देख लीजिए. तो ये है हमारा आंसर. नेक्स्ट आते हैं फोर्थ क्वेश्चन में. व्हाट हैपेंड व्हेन द एलिफेंट एंटर्ड द टाउन एंड द स्कूल? आंसर: द एलिफेंट caused a lot of destruction in the towns. He broke branches, fences and smashed stalls. He entered a school playground and broke a brick wall, pulled out of a football goal post, tore down a volleyball net and flattened a water drum. Fifth question is, how did the Ishwaran bring down the elephant? Answer: Ishwaran tackled the elephant by striking a stick on his toenail. It is a Japanese form of martial art by which the nervous system temporarily gets turned, so the elephant was out for a moment before the Mohawks controlled the elephant. In this way, Ishwaran bring down the elephant. Sixth question is, describe the horrible experience of Mahendra during the full moon night. Answer: one day on full moon night, Mahendra was woken up from his sleep by a low moan close to his window. At first, he thought that it was a cat chasing mice, but the sound was too deep and gulched for a cat. He resisted looking outside as he did not want to witness a sight that might stop his heartbeat. But when the noise became louder, he could not resist himself from looking outside. When he lowered himself the level of the window, he looked at a dark, cloudy from clothing a bundle. He broke into a cold sweat and fell back on the pillow, panting as he gradually recovered from the ghastly experience. He began to reason with himself. Seventh, described by Mahendra decided to resign his job. Answer: he was scared of the place after experiencing such a night. He found that the ghost was often visiting him in his dream. He was pretty sure that there were ghosts around and thus wanted to leave. He was not comfortable living there. That's why Mahendra decided to resign his job. Our last but not least, eighth question is draw a character sketch of Ishwaran, the storyteller. Answer: the Ishwaran, the cook of Mahendra, had an amazing capacity to produce vegetables and cooking ingredients seemingly out of where he looked after all of Mahendra's domestic needs satisfactorily, including his evening entertainment. He could cook delicious dishes. He was a good storyteller, and his description were also influenced by Tamil thriller that he read. Mahendra enjoyed listening to him because of the way he told his stories. Thus, Ishwaran was usually an asset for Mahendra. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन। यहाँ हमारा क्वेश्चन आंसर कंप्लीट होता है। आज मैंने एक ही वीडियो में फर्स्ट टाइम आज मैंने एक ही वीडियो में पूरा ये कंप्लीट किया है चैप्टर। तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैप्टर को अच्छे से पढ़िएगा और शायद आपके एग्ज़ाम्स हो सकते हैं, तो उसके लिए बेस्ट ऑफ लक पहले से ही। तो थैंक यू एंड प्लीज़ लाइक सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल एंड प्लीज़ सपोर्ट मी। एंड ऐसे ही मैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर के मैंने पहले 2 चैप्टर छोड़ा है, मैं उसका भी क्वेश्चन आंसर आप लोग को दूंगी। पहले मैंने इसका प्रिपेयर किया है क्योंकि ये चैप्टर बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है। तो एंड थैंक यू एंड प्लीज़ लाइक शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल। मैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में क्वेश्चन आंसर डालूँ।